Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel on Excel. Now, we're going to have a short look at the XLOOKUP function, a simplified version of the XLOOKUP function, which you can see here. We have got the name of the exams here, okay, and the subjects of the exams here, and the name of the candidates is just on the right of the lookup of the exams, okay. So basically VLOOKUP would not work here because if we put in the name here and do a VLOOKUP here, okay, it will not work because the lookup value, for example, if we look at the VLOOKUP function, it says the lookup value, which is Jim, and the table array is, of course, the table array is them, is here, this one, okay. But then it's again asks for the column number. Now we won't be able to find a column number in on the right hand side of Jim, okay, or the names column. So we'll go ahead and go with the uh, XLOOKUP function to resolve this issue. Let me just remove the data validations that I have put in here, or yeah, okay, I'll just clear. Okay, clear. Okay, so I've all this setup. These are all randomly generated numbers, okay, and the name. Okay, let me just make some changes here. Exams. Okay, so first of all we will just create a small validation list here. Data validation from list, and that source should be name range. Okay, great. Okay, I'll put in another message here, name. Yeah, I'll put in the name. It's this, everything will be in central. Okay, great. Name gone here, then exam name. Okay, exam name, again we'll have to create a data validation list. To the data tab, data validation list. Okay, exam name, exam. We'll come to the first tab setting, which is again going to be a list, and this are the exam names. Okay. Oh, shit. Sorry, I put it in the wrong field. Okay, let me just see if I can copy paste this here. It should work basically. And I will go ahead and delete the data validation from here. Clear data validation from here. Don't get anything in the marks, but in the exam name itself correct. So this is it. This is the setup that we require, okay. And I'll just put in a select the name here from the drop down. Let's say I choose Jim here, and exam name, anything that comes up from the, okay, English comes up first, so let me choose English only. Okay, so we need a XLOOKUP function in this case. XLOOKUP is asking for a lookup value, okay. So lookup value is Jim here, and I'll fix this. Jim here, lookup array, okay, lookup array, uh, lookup array, returns. Okay, now we'll need another like XLOOKUP function here. This will take care of the the exam part. Okay, lookup value will be the exam name for lookup array. Okay, done. And return lookup array is done, lookup value is done, lookup array. Okay, lookup array is this one. Fix it. Now it's asking for a return array. Where will we get our marks from? We'll get our marks from here. We'll need to fix this also, and by default it will take, see, the marks. So did Gmet score 87 in English? Oh yes, he did. Okay, Nadia scored 95 in English. Let's check. Nadia 95. Change the marks to, let's say, history, and she got 97 in history. Pretty good. So this is all working fine. Tony is getting, how much? Tony is getting in history. Tony is getting 72. Oh, sorry, my God, 69. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial today. This is a short introduction on the XLOOKUP function, which can easily replace the VLOOKUP function in our day-to-day life. Hope this is helpful for you. Thanks for liking this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.